The Emory S land class represents a specific type of ship, a submarine tender. These ships are essentially floating repair shops and supply depots for submarines. The United States Navy and Military Sealift Command operated 3 of these vessels. The lead ship, USS Emory S Land, gives the class its name. USS Frank Cable is another notable member of the class. USS McKee was, unfortunately, the first of the class to be decommissioned. These ships are being replaced by the new AS-X class of submarine tenders. The Emory S Land class design mirrors that of the earlier L-Y Spear class. This design was specifically optimized for servicing nuclear-powered attack submarines. Each ship features a staggering 53 specialized workshops. These workshops are spread across 13 different decks on board. This allows for extensive repair and maintenance capabilities at sea. Up to 4 submarines can be serviced simultaneously on one tender. The ships are equipped with 2 powerful 60-ton cranes. 2 smaller 7-ton cranes provide additional lifting capacity. These cranes are essential for moving equipment and supplies. Each ship uses 2 massive 40-ton bow anchors to stay in position. A single 20-ton stern anchor provides further stabilization. The anchors are needed for operating independently. All ships have a helicopter landing pad located at the aft of the ship. This allows for the transfer of personnel and supplies by air. Notably, there is no dedicated hangar for helicopters. The helicopter pad enhances the flexibility of these support vessels. These amazing ships keep the submarines of the U.S. Navy operating efficiently around the world.